Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Techaruna. Today we are going to see how to create a poster for say no to drugs using Canva. We are going to take a blank template of Instagram post and then change the color to black and search for torn paper. I've taken one. Now I'm going to resize it, turn it and place it as I require. So kept here, so I'm adjusting, settling it. Now I will be choosing some elements for this say no to drugs. So I want some elements of drugs. So I'm choosing different drugs for that. So I've chosen one. I'll remove the background. Now I'll place it and then I'll search for something else. Again I'm going to choose another element for drugs. So I've got one, some injection type of thing I want, and I'm searching for that. Still I'm going to choose a better one. So here we go. I've got something here. Again, after placing, I'm removing the background using edit photo. So remove the background, again placing it. One more element I require to complete the design. So I am in search of yet another. I've got one. Again removing the background using edit photo. Now placing it accordingly. Now I need to adjust it and then properly place it. So that is done. Now I have to choose some icon for no. So I want a cross mark. So I'm choosing something which is very prominent. Yes, I've taken and I have placed it on the top. Now I need to make the other side, which is black in color, some element, scary element I want to add. So I'm choosing a background for that and I'm going to place it and then I'm going to extend it to match till the end. Now it is giving a very dominant color, right? So here again I want to add a scary element. For that I'm going to choose spider web. So I'm getting so many options. I'm choosing one and I'm going to resize it and copy paste it and complete the sideline with this spider web. So again copy paste and complete it. So here we go. We are pasting again and again and arranging it accordingly. Done. So now this is something, adding some scary element to this poster. So now we need say no to drugs letters. So I'm going to add text and then I'm writing say no to drugs and then I am going to make it bold and then change the font to Anton and then some effects are added, turning it, placing it in that white color torn paper and then extending it accordingly to fit into that torn paper. Then I want to change the color also. So I'm going to change the color of the statement, that is say no to drug. I think red color will suit here. So I'm choosing again this red and I'm going to extend and place it in the center. So this is how we can create a say no to drugs poster using Canva, which is very effective. So the final outcome after giving the effects. I am adding some effects to the statement. So after adding the effects, the final outcome just somewhat looked like this. So I hope this is useful to you, and if you found this useful, so click the button, like, share and subscribe, and comment if you have anything to say. So thank you for watching.